to the Tiny Kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking donuts! I'm not... Whoa. What the hell is this? Let's go blend this up. Frosting is really weird, but I think I like it. I think it's a good thing. So, it's good. It's weird, but like when you first put your mouth, you're like, what? And then you're like, yeah. That does not taste like a donut. It tastes like a stale donut. And that middle part actually tastes really like a donut. So if you're really serious about this, you get like a serious amount right there. Don't even try and spread it on top. It's not worth it. Just make every bite count. Oh my god. Melts in your mouth like Krispy Kreme donut. Yes. You can see my face and I look crazy. It's because I am. Bye for now. See you next time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to cook.
That's nice.
Don't you want food this week?
No.
No?
No.
I can feel you staring at me. It's really uncomfortable. Turn around, put your headphones in, and study. I'm totally gonna leave all this in there so everybody knows you're a jerk. No. Found it! And it's like been in the garbage disposal a couple times. You see how
Who found it? Love you.
This tall guy that I live with and I love so much, he found it.
It shows. Gee.
I don't know why I keep doing this with my arms. Like, if you guys watch my snaps,
Because you're obnoxious.
What?
I'm teasing.
I love you.
That's PG-13.
Don't watch this at home, kids. Like